So hi guys, we're here in IKEA, Malaysia. My friends invited me because they said that there are sale items. So here I'm just checking some different kinds of plates here because I need the saucer. Here are one of the items that are on sale, just 10 RM. It's actually set. Glasses. And here, these are not on sale, but I think you'll be interested in this one. So this one is on sale. It's actually water container, but it's a small one. But it's actually very handy. Um, these are bigger bottles, 17 RM only. They also have different designs here, as you can see. Now this item just 6 RM. It's actually a throw pillow. You can use it for the living room or even in your bedroom. It's very soft, as you can see. Now we have here a blanket. It's only 10 RM. So if you're gonna convert it times 12 or 11, and now here we have curtain. It's only 55 RM. So it's actually thick. So if you're gonna use it, the sunlight can't pass through by it. So here it's 15 RM. Um, Here the pillows, as you can see, that's the size. Then we have here, I don't know what they call this. It's like also a blanket or sheet. Um, it's only 20 RM there. Then we have here only 25 RM. Um, yeah, it's for the pillowcase, different size, different colors. We have here it's like the trolley or for organizer, just 45 RM. Then this, or like we call it tabo, I don't know how to call it, small pail. And then here it's 15 RM for a laundry basket. And then this is 4 RM only for organizer. This is very useful for pet lovers. Like it can easily get the for out of your clothes. This one is trash can. It's almost 6 RM. Then same 15 RM for the laundry basket. This lamp is very cheap, just 45 RM. Then this it's only 5 RM. It's eco-friendly. Um, Luggage organizer, 9 RM only. It's made of sack. Then this one lamp is 27 RM, but it's very light. See, you can see it's like plastic. Then this is 5 RM. It's actually matte. Very cheap. Then we have here rags. Yeah. Oh, it's matte. I mean, like abaca. Then here are rags, 22 rm. Then here, it's only 9 rm. It's a very light frame. So if you're looking for something that can't be broken, like for glass, I can highly suggest that. So um, here are some small frames. So it's not actually heavy. It's very light, you know. So this is what one of the reasons why I want here candles. I actually saw this on my friend. 12 rm for 4 pieces. Then we have here small scented candles for only 5 rm. So as you can see there, I'm just not sure how long will it last. And then here I think some candle bottles also. This is one of the organizer that I featured a while ago. Um, this one, liquid bottle for 5 rm only. So there, this is the checkout area. So my friends saw this. So it's actually what's this tissue? It's on sale. This one are plates set for 49. As you can see, there are different designs here, and it's actually heavy, you know. So for me, I tested the IKEA plates. Um, it's actually a quality. These are glasses, 10 rm. Then these are the candles. Also, I actually bought like a set. This is only 10 rm, and another is like a bowl. It's actually on sale too. Then these candles are also on sale. Wherein I'm planning to get two because it's only 10 rm, and they said that the candles here in IKEA last long. So here are some small bowl, only 10 rm too. All woods, you know. They use it if you're gonna make a barbecue outside, you know, to start the charcoal. So these are also on sale. Tissue. Now this is like the one you use for lemon juice, you know, to squeeze that. So here, like pillow for chair, 10 rm only, and then here some frames again. So it's only 10 rm. It's actually good, you know. Then here are some organizers again you can use in the pantry. It's only 10 rm. It's actually good, but I took a lot already. So here, this is what we bought. So we don't have. We forgot to bring echo bags, so we actually bought some echo bag also. Now we're gonna eat here. This is the IKEA, like IKEA canteen or food court. It's actually the same with the other IKEA branch, like in the Philippines. But here we have to get our card, like where we're gonna put the food tray. So they have the menu here, and then we have to get first glass, and then here there's actually some food here, but since it's late, I think that's why it's almost empty. Now those are cakes. Oh, there, strawberry panna cotta. And then they have like salmon, Caesar salad, chicken, um, Swedish meatballs. Now we're gonna get some Swedish meatballs here. As you can see, um, uh, they prepare it when you order, and it's actually hot. So that's my friend's order. So here we're getting our order. That's my order, salmon. Then we also have chicken wings there. Then that's the soup, mushroom soup, and Swedish meatballs. No, this is my order. Salmon with quinoa, and we have chicken wings. That's the meatballs. So there we're paying here the counter, some biscuits, and that's the total. They actually ask if you have some membership number, and then this area is the ice cream area. You have to get a coin on at the counter, and that's just not. You can't use the ordinary coin here. You have to get the IKEA coin for the ice cream. Because we try the normal money for the coin, it just goes out. So yeah, that's all. Bye.